Hello everyone, nice to meet you all. I am Wang Huajin. Today, I will introduce to you a windpipe cutting production line. He mainly includes an opening, a teaching evaluation, a mechanical cutting, and a front-end material receiving. Throughout the entire production line, our current product primarily targets the air duct heating industry as its main focus. Now, more and more companies are considering adopting this production line to reduce their reliance on manual labor. Enhance productivity of our factory. Main focus, steel coils. Available options, 5 tons, 8 tons, and 10 tons. Purchase whole steel coil for convenience. If we transport a whole steel coil back, we can cut it continuously. You just need to cut it continuously. If the back end is in the process of receiving materials, arrange for manual receipt. This receiving device can be utilized for stacking purposes. By doing so, you have the ability to significantly enhance your overall production efficiency, decrease the reliance on manual labor, and mitigate the impact of the continuously rising cost of labor. So it is obvious why this product is favored by the market, because its entire production line is highly efficient. Due to the fact that our machine is equipped with a dual-zone servo drive, the entire machine operates at a higher speed. In addition, after the power of its laser reaches a certain level, its cutting speed is relatively fast, so the overall efficiency is high. Sheet metal factory, the main goal is to improve efficiency. We think using a production line will definitely be more convenient than using a single machine. If you are interested in learning about our production line, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.